Hey, what's up, traders? Mike here with the watch list video for Thursday, June 15th. The SPY kind of had a wide range today. It was FOMC day, and after the chaos that almost always happens, there's the chaos. It ends up closing about where it opened. And I've seen that. I feel like I've seen that a lot lately. But anyway, some neat highlights from today. I made a couple videos, so I hate to go into detail here, but which is Unity Software, topped out right here on this day where that vertical line is at 39.45, and then on an intraday basis did it again right there, right at 39.45 and pulled back. So that's the way we define that is if it breaks that, then it's a two-day high break, the way we teach in our course in our chat room, right? So who was it? Ignacio, I hope I'm saying your name right, gave the idea over 39.45 this time, which you can see what it did. That was a pretty cool call. Again, I made a more in-depth video if you follow me on YouTube. I also tweeted it if you want to look for it there. And GREE, I made a video about that too. GREE, second mouse through 250, which was right about where my arrow is there. And Wayne and I kind of teamed up on that one, and it went pretty quickly to 315. So there's a couple highlights. Gunil also gave NEXT. I'm not sure where I typed that. There we go. NEXT over 650 early this morning, and look what it did. So some neat calls in the chat room. Let's go back to the daily charts and right there. And I'm going to show you what I'm watching for tomorrow. So we'll start with this one next, NEXT. Let me pan out a little bit. Big volume today, maybe a continuation day tomorrow. You guys know I'm an intraday trader. I don't hold anything overnight, so maybe some of these will give us a trade tomorrow. INOD, super extended, but I believe it's an AI play, and it had good volume today. It still held up pretty well. I'm not in love with that one, though, just because it's extended. GREE, you can see the volume. Let me zoom in so you can kind of see. Okay, there's the candle, closing about in the middle of its range. So again, I don't love that one either. Whoops, I'm going the wrong way. But I do want to keep that one on a chart tomorrow, see if it gives an A+ setup. BYND, we were watching it. You can't see it on here. I don't have the 200-day on this chart, but it's somewhere over 15. So you had the nice push towards it yesterday, breakout over this high. Then today I would just call a quiet inside day. So I am keeping BYND on watch. AI, also extended, but holding up pretty well after that big rip yesterday. ACOR, I don't know. I went back and forth. This closed stronger. I would like it much more. You know what? I'm going to take it off the list. I needed to pare my list down anyway, but if this would have closed stronger, the chart would have looked better. But then I watched it a little bit today, and the spreads on it, I don't know how to describe it other than we're plumb stupid. So let's keep going. Let's skip that one. PPSI, nice breakout today. We'll see if that one has any kind of follow through tomorrow. GSIT, again, also extended. I feel like I need to zoom in a little bit. But the other day popped to 825. Today's high, 814. So say tomorrow we open below 8. That's super interesting on a whole number inflection point through 8, knowing that we've got 814 and 825 as potential catalysts above. So that makes that kind of interesting. Where are we? Apron, APRN. Just another red day. After that big pop 3 days in a row. I'm just keeping that on bounce watch. BIG also had on long watch because I like the chart. And today kind of a quiet inside day. So it stays on the chart. DOCU, another red day. I'm still keeping this on bounce watch. AHI, and this is almost round tripped, but I still think it's worth having on a chart for a potential bounce, only with an A+ setup. XMTR, I kept watching this one, talking about it when it looked about like this, right? Waiting for a breakout over this line right here. And now we've gotten it, and then now we've got a 2-day pullback, a little bit of extra volume now, so I am going to put that on bounce watch. And then lastly, another crazy one, BENF. Which for whatever reason popped over 16 the other day and it's been straight down ever since. Maybe one of those indecision candles today. I am going to put this one on bounce watch. And we'll add other gappers as we always do together in the pre-market. That's it for me. I'll see everybody in chat tomorrow morning.